Hey guys, I wanted to create this video to explain how the Google Classroom works specifically for Lab 2. So once you enter the code, this is how the classroom would look like. I give you here the welcoming. Hello everybody and welcome to our virtual classroom for Lab 2. This time you will need to watch several explanation videos to understand the topics and complete several practices. You can work on these practices on your notebooks, then take pictures and upload them here. Or you can also work on Word documents and upload them here as well. Best of success and have fun. Okay, so you're going to click over here on Classwork. Y aquí aparecen muy bien las actividades que tenemos que hacer. So you're going to first of all click on Would Rather, okay, and View Material Specific. Okay, so you have the instructions here. Watch the following video in order to understand the topic, then complete the practice on slide 8 along with the speaking practice on the PowerPoint presentation. So basically, this is the PPT, right? This is the PowerPoint presentation. Y aquí yo les hice un videito básicamente relacionado a la presentación de PowerPoint. Entonces ustedes le van a dar clic en la presentación, la van a descargar si quieren, van a darle clic en el video, van a ver el video. Y básicamente, you're going to complete the practice on slide 8. Now my internet connection is so very slow. Okay, so you're basically going to go to the slide 8. Ok, ahí cuando se cargue, se van a la diapositiva 8, hace la práctica que está ahí junto con la actividad de speaking que también les compartí. Once you finish here, you go back and you do exactly the same with adjectives. So one more time, it is a PowerPoint presentation and then a video related to the PowerPoint presentation. And then you have these two homeworks, let's say. Homework number 1, you're going to download the following list of adjectives. Look up in the dictionary the unfamiliar words. Entonces es un documento de PDF que van a descargar y simplemente es un vocabulario. Entonces van a en Google o en cualquier diccionario que no sea Google Translator, right? You guys are going to find the meaning, all right, or the definition of the words, the unfamiliar words, right? The words that you are not familiar or the words that are unknown to you. And then you are going to do this quiz. This is an adjective quiz. So you're basically going to click on this and then it will take you to, there you go, it will take you to a quiz. You complete the quiz and once you finish, you click over here in submit. Okay? And that is it. And then you guys are also going to work on the third project. Okay? So the third project, listen to the audios and answer the following questions. Work individually and don't try to look for the answers on the internet. Al final del día son ustedes los que se verán perjudicados si no trabajan con honestidad. Entonces vamos a ver estos dos audios súper sencillos y basados en estos dos audios vamos a proceder a completar este quiz. ¿Ok? Cuando completen el quiz nuevamente, le vamos a dar ahí Next. Cuando completen este quiz, le vamos a dar Submit y ya a mí inmediatamente me llegan sus respuestas. Alright, and that is it. If you have any question, don't hesitate and ask me. Thank you.